Hey guys, I'm in Dollar Tree. I just pulled these right down. Aren't they so super cute? It's 6 salt and pepper shakers. That is adorable. Everybody's having these parties and things, so yes. I'm not having a party, but in the cart. Oh, I don't think I've ever seen these pots. No, the white and gold, and then this one right here is rocking. We saw these, right? I feel like it might have been a minute, but I think so. The glass spray bottle, the clear, the black, the yellow, like the bee. Oh, that's pretty. Look. Not too many here. Oh, the Smurfs. I haven't seen Smurfette yet. I see Seinfeld, the mac and cheese, the Fruit Loops. That's funny. Monopoly with the sink thing, right? The faucet. Yes on that. Garfield Pop-Tarts. Okay, so let me bring it down. The youthful glow, right? Didn't we see this? Now, so the other one was hydrating. The color is different. This is green. The other one was blue, I feel like. Still the day and the night cream set, right? But this has ceramides and retinol. The other one was hydrating with something and something, but it wasn't this. So we need this one too. In the cart. Yes, I think we're good to go over here with all of this. I saw these in a 2-pack at the thrift store, but it was 2 together in the box. I forget how much it was, but I was saying that they split them, you know, in the Dollar Tree. Yes, on the shower vapor tabs. I have so many different ones I'm still rocking. I think I have like 3 left, but these are good. I really like them. Miss Girl, I got halfway down the aisle and then backed it up a little bit. I'll be pissed off if I get home and I only have a couple left, so in the cart. All these pretty woman nails rocking. This is glazed right here. Fashion tips with the black. Oh yes, these are the ones. Remember a couple weeks ago? Oh, look at that one. Remember a couple weeks ago I was going to grab it, and when I went back to get it, it was only 1. So I'm gonna get it now because they have a ton of them. I was gonna get the 2 blue ones. Yes, because I was saying like 6 of my nails are all the same size, so I need 2 packs in the cart. Yeah, these right here. I feel like we may have seen these before, but I'm not sure. If it was a while ago. The coffin nail tips, color craze, pop-on nails, right? The polish mani pedi is 25 nails in here. So this one and this one, I think these are about to come off because they're starting to lift and they're getting stuck in Kara's hair. So it's time for them to come off. I think I'm going to grab these in the cart. We're all good over here. I feel like, Oh, here's the Noor. The bouillon cubes is 8 cubes in here. Yes. So remember we saw these, the horseradish, the mayo, and the tartar. I grabbed the horseradish for hubby. I'm a tartar girl too, with all the shrimp and things I eat. So I don't know why I didn't pick it up, but I'm gonna grab it now in the cart. Yeah, all my stores have this one. I have not come across the other one. This is here. The tricolor tortilla chips is up here. Oh, here are the wonton strips too by Newfields. So that's rocking. Yes, on all the barbecue good, right? Oh, you know what? I saw this the last time. It was on the bottom shelf. I didn't pick it up. I'll pick it up now in the cart. I just saw this. The marinade with garlic, herb, and wine. There's only one word I saw in here. Let me grab 2. It's only 2 left in the cart. And here's the mesquite one. 2 pounds of meat. Yes on that. This meat right here. I do yoga. Wait a minute. What's that say? Just kidding. I drink wine in yoga pants. You better stop it on there. I didn't know it said that on the other side. I do both. That is funny. Okay, let me see what's rocking. So the moisturizing day and night cream, right? This one I'm really excited about, the ceramides and the retinol. So 1 for me, 1 for you. The spray, the nails. Oh, more nails. Some wine. Some wine marinade, right? Why do I need these? Because they are so cute, and yes, on the vapor tab. So, all right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh, I was walking up to the line Look at the serving tray with the lid. This is for $5. Throw some things in there. And here's a condiment tray up here for $5. Oh, that's, ooh, I was about to drop it. Throw the ice on the bottom, right? Oh, that's nice, actually. And the 2-gallon, the beverage dispenser is up here for $5. All right, bye. Hey guys, I'm in Dollar Tree. These are back. How pretty, right? We saw the ones with the gold tops before. It's been a minute, but yes on that. That is pretty. I haven't seen these in so long. Wow. I was looking to see if they had the salt and pepper shakers in here. Oh, I don't think I've seen this mug. Fatherhood is one of life's best reasons to need a little extra coffee. Oh, that's nice. Did we see this one? I think we may have saw this one. Isn't that green so pretty in there? Yeah. Look at the color changing. Kids Crest. Oh, that's funny. Oh, how cute is that? Hug-a-boo-boo. Hug-a-boo-boo, wow. The amazing animal bandages that hug. That is super cute. Oh, and these right here. They're cute. This is prehistoric. The dinos. So yes on that. Some new packaging. Cleanse, balance, and restore. Bloom, right? Or is it Blum Naturals? Organic grapeseed extract. What is it? Daily cleansing and makeup remover towelettes. You better stop it on that. In the cart. Oh, here's that all over body mineral deodorant. I don't see the lavender one though. It's just this one. These are $5. The no slip grip, right? It's 6 pair in here. The Marilyn Monroe's. I'ma grab these. In the cart. I think we're good on the socks, right? I see Snoopy. Oh, look at this big old Micanite. That is cute. Yeah, I think we're good. Oh, I don't remember. I have the black and I feel like it's pink. This is purple. I don't remember the purple one. These colors right here remind me of Halloween. Oh, here's some more. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is the same one we just picked up, right? Yes. And this one right here, makeup removing, blemish control. Oh, no, this doesn't say that, right? So here's the blemish control one. Yes, it's 2 different ones. Yes, I'm still loving it. That Hydro Plus compared to the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, 100%. Oh, here it is. It's in the other aisle. The all-over body mineral deodorant and the lavender and white tea. So we did grab both of them already. Did we see this? Old Style. Honey, you know what that reminded me of? Old Bay. Like as soon as I saw that. Old Style honey chicken dipping sauce. I don't know. I feel like I might have, but I'm not sure. But that's rocking. Reusable stainless steel straws with the covers. 6 straws, 1 cleaning brush, 2 silicone caps, and 6 silicone tips. Yes on that. In the cart. All right, quick and fast. We got some of these wipes. I grabbed one for you. I grabbed this for you. I don't need it. And I grabbed these for me. So, yes. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. I ran back to get the sauce. Yes. I'm a mess. In the cart. All right, bye. Hey guys, we're at Dollar Tree. I would have did the open the door, but Sydney was trying to run me over. Oh my goodness, with the cart. So, yes, on Begin Each Day with Kindness. So they still rocking that. But I don't see those new dishes here yet. Oh, here's that color changing Kids Crest again. That's so darn cute. I grabbed the toothpaste and a couple videos back. I need to grab some more of the toothbrushes too. Yeah. I like these both actually. Sydney just rolling. She left me. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me get these 2 up here. A couple different ones. Yes. In the cart. I don't see too much rocking. It's a new body wash out, right? I'm looking for that. Yes. Oh, she has on a rainbow dress.
Yes.
All right. She just dropped that one. She just like me. Oh, look at Harry Potter rocking. It's just, you know, the figure, like to sit on a table. Hermione Granger is up there. Yes. Yes, on the bam bones. That bison. Hershey loves it. Yes, on the socks. I think we're good. I see Pringles up there looking like Pac-Man, right? When you eat the dye and get all the ghosts. I feel like, oh my goodness. Elmo and Cookie rocking. Okay. Darn, I forgot this Dollar Tree still isn't rocking any food. Darn it. Yes, on the Breathe mugs, that black and white, sexy, both sides. Yes, on that. Miss Nicole Miller rocking. Every time I think of Nicole Miller, I think of Seinfeld with Elaine in the dress with the Nicole Miller. And dude didn't want to sell her the dress. The size 8. Oh my goodness. And Nicole, all we rocking is Breathe toothbrushes and this doll right here. Oh my goodness.
Stop. Yes.
All right, I'll see you soon.
Bye, mommy.
Bye. Hey guys, I'm in Dollar Tree. I just ran in here real quick driving by. This is not one I really frequent, but I was like, you know what? This one will be the one. Yes! This one would be the one to have it. You better stop it on that. And Nicole. Wow, I'm floored. I have been looking for this dupe to the Bum Bum Cream. You better stop it on that. I'm so excited. This is all I came in here for. I'm going to grab it and go. I'll see you soon. Bye.